Hello everyone, this is Maria from Maxifisio. Thank you for joining me today. I'm filming in Fuerteventura at the beach, so I hope you enjoy the view and the sound of the ocean in the background. It's a bit windy, so I also hope the sound is okay for the recording. I'm going to be filming a short, gentle yoga class, so I hope you enjoy it. As always, if you like it, please give me a thumbs up at the end of the video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And as always, if you're interested in any of my online classes or one-to-one sessions, feel free to get in touch. Or also, if you have any requests for any other content, you can also get in touch through my channel or through my Instagram at Maria_Maxifisio. All right, so we're going to start on our back. Make your way into your mat. Bring your knees to your chest for gentle Apanasana. Take a deep inhale through the nose. Let it go through the mouth. Seal your lips and continue inhaling and exhaling through the nose, trying to slow down the breath, making each inhale and exhale slightly deeper, slightly slower. If you breathe in 3 seconds, you also breathe out in 3 seconds. If you breathe in 4 seconds, you also breathe out in 4 seconds, and so on. While you're here, just connect with the sensations you got on the body, whether you're holding tension somewhere, a particular side or area. Also pay attention to your thoughts, your mind, how you're feeling right now. And then just following that, set your intention, whatever you're hoping to achieve during this short class, just try to set your mind for it. And then let's also activate our breath. You can do Yahi Pranayama if you are familiar with your victorious breath. And so if you're doing Yahi Pranayama, you would be constricting the back of the throat on the inhale and the exhale. So the breath will be slightly audible to you, but not to others. So others around you shouldn't be able to hear it. Or if you prefer to connect with your Mula Bandha, your pelvic floor, and your Uddiyana Bandha, your abdominal connection, you can also think of that. Just make sure the breath is active. Two more breaths here. Complete the exhale. Now release a little bit of grip, and then let's begin to find a bit of movement, circling the legs from right to left as you breathe in and out. Then from left to right as you breathe in and out. Hug the knees maybe a touch deeper. Lift your head up. Try to think of your knees coming towards your forehead. Then you release the grip, feet on the floor, arms to a T. Turn the legs to your left, neck to the right. Maybe left hand on the right knee to bind. Breathe into the right side of the body. Now, option here to extend the legs and maybe just grab the knee, calf, maybe the foot, depending on how stiff you feel, and you can breathe. Come back to center, and let's twist to the other side. So legs to the right, neck to the left, right hand to the left knee. Breathe into the left side of the body. Option to extend the legs. Again, you could just go hand on the thigh, knee, the calf, maybe the foot. Breathe. All right, return to the middle. Now bring the legs a touch wider. elbows to God pose, 90 degrees, and then just begin to rock your legs side to side. Now stay with the legs on the left side, and again, if you want to bind left foot on top of the right knee, hold. Release from the bind, swap. And again, if you want to bind right foot on top of the left knee, hold. Release the bind, come back to center. Both knees again to Uttanasana, maybe you can go a touch deeper. And then from here, right leg in, left leg down, all 10 toes flexed. Create a bit of compression on the hip. And now from here, keep the left hand to the left hip. Open up to the side, gentle inner thigh stretch, look towards your left side, breathe. Come back to the middle, swap your hands, twist, look towards your right. Come back to the middle, hands to the back of the thigh, extend the right leg. Maybe your hands can go to the calf, otherwise they stay down. And you're going to point and flex the foot, breathing in and out a few times. Now circle the foot on one direction, on the other direction. Stay flexed. Maybe lift your head up, bring the leg a bit more towards you, maybe bring the left leg up and hold for 3, 2, 1. Come back to Uttanasana and change sides. Left leg in, right leg down. Flex all 10 toes. Gentle compression on the hip, right hand on the right hip, open up to the side, turn your neck towards the right, breathe. Alright, swap your hands, and again, gentle twist, look towards your left. And then back to the middle, hands to the back of the thigh, extend the leg. Again, either hands here or on the calf, depending on your flexibility. Breathe in, breathe out as you point and flex. Begin to circle the foot on one direction, on the other direction. Hold it flexed. Maybe lift your head up, pull a bit more towards you. Maybe lift your right thigh up and hold again for 3, 2, 1. Release. Both knees again to the chest. Alright, roll to a seat. And then once we're seated, we're just going to go through half floor of the fishes. Keep the left leg bent horizontal to the mat, right foot over the left knee. We're going to twist towards the right. You're going to bend your right foot, bind it to the outside of the left knee. Stay tall. And the twist. Bring your right foot in line with the knee. Alright, you're going to interlace your fingers around the ball of your right foot. We're going to come to Huron pose. Pick up the foot, extend the knee, shoulders down away from the ears. If your knee is bent, it's fine. So stay tall and breathe. Stretch forward and down. And again, stretch forward and down. Release, and let's do the same two poses on the other side. So bend your right leg along the mat, left foot over the right thigh. 2 more. Twist towards the left, bind right out to the outside of the knee, sit up tall, look over the shoulder. And down. Great. From here, knees to the chest. And now you can grab the back of the thighs to make this easier. You're going to get a bit of momentum. You're going to come up, bring your left foot in line with the hip. You're going to roll again, put your shoulders on your foot. Pick up the heel for Huron pose. Extend the leg. Inhale. Exhale. Sit up tall, shoulders away from the ears.
Inhale.
Again, it's okay if your knees bend. Just try to work towards the direction of the straight. Last one. Good. And then either stay here, here, or here for 5, 4, 3, 2. Now, we're going to come through Dandasana, staff pose, legs extended.
Come to your
Flex
side.
your feet so much so
And
that I'm going to give you options for these.
Your quads are active, maybe the heels are lifting
You
a
can
bit.
have your legs
Hands down
bent,
on the mat. Open
top
up the
leg
chest.
extended, or
Stay
both
active.
legs extended, top foot on front of the other. We're going to come to a side plank.
And up from here, inhale.
So choose your
Both hands up.
variation.
Exhale, fold
Lift up.
forward for Paschimottanasana,
Take the
seated forward fold.
Look up and
So maybe your hands will be
again.
on the thighs, the
5,
legs.
4,
You can go also big toes
2,
around.
1. Sorry, lower down.
Middle fingers around
2
your
more
big
times.
toes
Catch
or
your breath.
hands.
Come on up.
Lengthen the spine for a moment.
5,
Inhale, exhale,
4,
bend the elbows.
3, 2, 1. Lower down. Last one. Again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breath. Great. Quick stretch before we go on the other side. Legs are slightly bent. All right, from here over the other.
Again, we're going to make our way again onto our back.
And just side bend.
We're going to go very briefly through Supta Bandha Konasana. So connect the soles of the feet, open up the hips. You can keep the arms a little bit open. Press the soles of the feet together.
Great. So other side. Again, choose your leg variation.
Legs bent, top leg extended.
One more breath.
Both legs extended.
Top foot on
and
front
then connect
of
the
the
legs back to Uttanasana. Maybe
come
you can
on
have the knees a little
Take
bit
the top
deeper,
arm up,
maybe hand
look
to
up,
opposite
and
elbow
hold.
or
5,
forearms.
4,
Quickest
3,
squeeze.
2, 1. Lower
And then release
Two more
into Savasana.
breath.
Extend the legs.
And again.
Arms slightly
5,
out.
3,
Take a deep breath in through the nose. Let it go through the
1.
mouth.
And the last one is strong. Lift for 5, 4, 3.
So return to a natural rhythm of the breath.
Great.
Which hopefully should be
Again.
slower than when we started. But just think of letting go of your breath, not thinking of where you're inhaling or exhaling. Just breathe normal. And then we'll just do a very brief meditation, trying to relax everything, starting from the toes, and we'll make our way up towards the head.
You can come to modified plank as an
let
easier
go
option.
of your toes,
Otherwise,
your
high
feet,
plank position. Again for 5,
let go of your legs,
4,
shins, calves,
2,
knees,
1.
front and back of the thighs.
2
on
more
the right,
times.
on
I
the
will lead
left
with the
side.
side planks. Again 5, 4.
Let go of your glutes, back of your hips.
1, release. And then the last one.
Let go of your pelvic floor, your lower tummy, the front of the hips.
2, 1. Great. Make it.
Let go of your lower back, mid back, upper back, and the back of your
Take
shoulders.
both hands to the right side. Breathe, opening the left side of the body.
Upper tummy, ribs, the chest.
Take both hands to the left. Breathe into the right side of the body.
Let go of your fingers, hands, wrists.
And then back to the middle. Breathe.
Continue letting go of the forearms, elbows, and upper arms on the right and the left
release.
side.
Great. All right.
Let go of your throat, the neck, the jaw.
Of these short calves, laps.
Let go of your lips,
perfect. Like I said, if you want to just work on your core,
eyes, eyebrows, forehead, and brow. Your face should be nice and soft.
I hope again you enjoyed it.
Let go of the back of your neck and your head, feeling heavy on the ground.
As always, thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you
of
soon in one of my other videos. Bye.
Notice if there's still tension somewhere. If that's the case, just bring your attention there. Use your breath to help you release it. Continue breathing for a few more moments here, staying present in Savasana. Take one more breath, inhale through the nose. Again, let it go through the mouth. Begin to move gently your fingers, toes, hands, and feet. Stretch with the arms and the legs, just waking up the body. Roll to your side, you can support your head. Stay there for another breath, eyes closed. And then carefully use your top hand to come up to a seat. Choose a comfortable seated position. This can be Sukhasana or easy pose with one leg or sitting. Bring your hands to pray, both toes connected, hands on the breastbone on your heart center. your eyes again and the spine. And just a moment to acknowledge the changes you've achieved during this short, gentle pause. Relax and when we start. Just be kind to yourself, expressing your gratitude to you for participating in the class. And try to set an intention for the rest of the day or for the next few days, something you're looking forward to or someone you look forward to see. Just try to embrace some positive thinking. And let's take one more breath together. Inhale through the nose, and I'll exhale through the mouth, just trying to let go any remaining tension you may still have. Seal your lips, open your eyes, and as always, to close the class as you go forward, may you have peace on your lips, on your words, and on your heart. From my heart to yours, namaste. Gently bow your head, release your hands, and then when you're ready, come on up. Alright, so this is the end of this short gentle yoga class. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope you feel nice and relaxed after. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I'll hopefully see you soon in one of my videos. Bye bye.